مکاتتان باش بخیر بین بو چانلی Learn and Explore. لم ویدیو دا باسی بشی چوارمی اپیزودی حوتا مکین. Pieces of 8. After a few moments of fear, I saw that the knife had not hurt me much and I climbed slowly down. After a few moments of fear, Dwaychan Satik Itiris, yan Dwaychan Satik Latiris, I saw that Binimka, the knife, Chakoka, had not hurt me much, Zor Azari Neabum, and I climbed slowly down. Wabahewashi Dabazi Mahuaro. Hans was dead in the water. Hans Lanao Awakada Mirdibu. I got rid of the other body by lifting it over the side of the ship to join Hans. I got rid of the other body Wata khom razgarkid la justake dika by lifting it babariskidnoi over the side of the ship basar laiki kashtiyakada to join Hans. Boy brought bolai Hans. Lera damo bastiyo ka just amirdoke tiri haldaota na awako. Before leaving the ship, I pulled in as many of the sails as I could. Before leaving the ship, pesh bajeheshtni kashtiyaka, I pulled in as many of the sails as I could. Harchanek tuanim charoka kam rakesha. Mabastoya charoka ki kokirdoto. Labaroi kashtiyaka narwat. Then I dropped down into the water and walked to the beach. Then, Pashan, I dropped down into the water, khom halayana awaka, and walked to the beach. Bape roshtanbo kanari daryaka. I was very excited and could not wait to get back to the stockade to tell the others that I had got the ship back. I was very excited, watazor del khoshbum, and could not wait to get back to the stockade. Namatwani chaorep kam boib garemo bo stockade ka yan bo sangeri bergiriaka. Kalera damabastiyo la khoshia auna hazi ki dob garreta or naitwayo chaorep kat. To tell the others, boy baani di kablem, that I had got the ship back. Ka kashtiyakam badas hena oto. Mabastoyo ka kashtiyaki lesanduna to. It was late at night by the time I found my way to the stockade. It was late at night, wata shaudrengbu, by the time I found my way, katek regakam dozio to the stockade, bosangeri bergiriakam. As I came towards the gate, I was pleased to hear the sound of my friends snoring. As I came towards the gate, katekahat man naziki dargayan darwaze stockade. I was pleased to hear the sound of my friends snoring. Dulkhosh bumba gubisbuni perchaperchi haurakanum. Snoring wata perchaperch. Then, when I walked in, a strange voice suddenly cried out, "Piece of 8! Piece of 8! Piece of 8!" Then, Pashan, when I walked in, Kateka Roshmajuroa, a strange voice suddenly cried out. A strange voice, Dengeki Seir, suddenly cried out, Hawarikid, "Piece of 8! Piece of 8! Piece of 8! Piece of 8! Navi draweka, ka lakona bakarenda, wala videokai peshtrish basman kirdo." It was Silver's parrot, Captain Flint. Awat tutiake Silverbu kanawi Captain Flinta. There was no time to think. There was no time to think. Hich katna bubobi kirno. The man woke up immediately and Silver cried, "Who goes there?" The man woke up, watapiawagan hastan, immediately yaksar, and Silver cried, was Silver hawarikid, "Who goes there?" Ama darbarina ka ziyata lalaan pasawana ka no bakarahin rekate kasek lashawa lean nazik boto o ani shutuyana. Who goes there? Mabastiano ka ke lean nazik boto. I tried to run away, but it was impossible and they soon caught me. I tried to run away, hawlam da rapkam, but it was impossible. Balam awa mahalbu, and they soon caught me. Wa bazuyi gitman. Silver ordered someone to go and get a torch, and I waited for the light to come. Silver ordered someone to go and get a torch. Wata Silver bakasi kiwit yan farmani bakasi kit kabruat glopek benet yan lightek benet. Torch wata light yan mashkhal ka agreka ekan badare ko boy waku light bakari ben yan waku runa keroek bakari ben. And I waited for the light to come. و من چاوەڕوانی ڕووناکیەکە بووم بۆ ئەوەی کە بیهێنن. بەم شێوەش ڤیدیۆڕمان کۆتایی هات. ئەگەر ڤیدیۆکەتان بدڵ بوو لایکی بکەن بۆ هاوڕێکانتانی بنێن و ئەگەر دەتانەوێت ڤیدیۆکانی داهاتوومان ببینن don't forget to subscribe. تاوەکو ڤیدیۆ داهاتوو خواتان لەگەڵ.